The Rack Shop is proud to present this Toyota Tacoma short bed that we've just installed the Yakima BedRock HD bed rack system onto it. So the system consists of the HD load bar, 68 inches in length, the BedRock HD towers, and that's it. Those two items make up this complete system. So you have the bars, the towers, and locks are included as well. So it's designed to work in conjunction with the in-bed track provided by Toyota. So again, locks are included, so it is secured. There is a quick throw lever, so if you want to remove the system, you can do it relatively easy. Total weight carrying capacity is 299 pounds, evenly distributed, with maximum spacing of 45¼ inches. So a great system for bikes, cargo, even a lot of rooftop tents. So that's it for this quick walk around. For more details, pictures, or to purchase this complete system with a couple of clicks, visit the link in the description below. And that's it for this one, but like always, thanks for watching.